everybody from my 2023 Toyota GR Corolla. As I start this video, I'm letting the lane tracing assist steer for me. It requires a little bit of intervention. After a few seconds, you basically have to just kind of give a little nudge on the steering wheel to let it know your hands are there. It'll flash that message for a bit, and then it'll require a little nudge. But anyway, the main idea I had for this video, now this car is still new to me and this is the first time I've driven it in the dark. I've got my Apple CarPlay up, and I noticed that that screen was very bright, and my first inclination was to turn it off, and there was no obvious way to do that. So what I noticed was down here, this last knob, if you click it up, it makes everything very bright, and then if you drop it down to the first step, it dims everything, and that also will affect that as well, the instrument cluster. So just a tip, if your screen is too bright, check to make sure that